Hello, this is going to be a guide on how to solve the 3x3 cube using the Roux method. Okay, so for people that don't know, that are new, this is the notation of the cube. So the front is F, so it goes clockwise, but F prime, which is when you have an F and like a little line there, it's anti-clockwise. So for example, R would be right, so right, it goes clockwise, but R prime would go the anti-clockwise. So let's see if you can do RU, R prime, U prime. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, if you need more time, you can pause the video. So it would be R, right, the clockwise direction, U, the clockwise direction, R prime, anti-clockwise, U prime, anti-clockwise. So to start off, you're going to try to find the blue-white piece. So if you look around a bit, you'll find it. And as you can see here, it's already placed. But imagine it wasn't. You find it, you want to put it on a layer and then put it together. The next step is finding the blue-red edge. So you need to have a look around. Can you spot it? Yes, here it is. You want to find it and put it on this top layer, and then put it on your loading spot, which is right here. Then you need to try to find its corner piece, which would be the blue, red, white. So as you can see, it's right here, and you need and imagine, for example, here you will need to get it up to this layer, and then put it close to the edge. Alright, now you need to look. Is this color and this color different or equal? If they are different, you want to put it on the back. But if they are the same, you need to put it on this side. Now, when you have this, so when you have it on each of these sides, you want to make sure that your white piece is looking on this to the sides and not to you or forward. Now, as you can see, I just need to move the middle to put it together. Now imagine this color and this color are not the same, so it would need to go here. Now the white is looking forward, which means it isn't like this. So you turn it. Now the white is looking at this side, and you just need to turn the middle ones. Now it's different. Then you want to use the same tactic. You're going to insert this pair into the slot that it belongs to. Now, are this color and this color equal? No, which means you need to put the slot in the same layer as the pair and then insert the pair. Now imagine if they were the same color. You just need to do an F prime. And that's the first pair done. Alright, now you need to do the next pair. This pair would be the blue-orange edge and the blue-orange-white corner. So first, you need to find the blue-orange edge, right here. And you want to put it on this top layer and down to the loading spot. Now we need to find the corner. Can you spot it? Yes, right here. You want to put it on the top. Now, you see, the white sticker is looking on top, so it won't work. You need to turn it once more, so any of these stickers are looking on top. Now, is this color and this color the same? No, which means it should go on the back. Now, remember that if it's like this, looking forward, it won't work. So here. Now, just turn the middle twice. And you have this pair. Now, remember, if they are the two the same, you just need to put it on the front, and once will work. Now, we just need to insert the pair. So let's put it on the back where it needs to go. Are they equal? Yes. So we just need to do like this. And that's your first block done. Now we need to find the green white edge. So as you can see, it's right here. You want to put it with its center. Now, if we did this, as you can see, you move this pair. So what can we do? The answer to this is simple. We just need to put them together, take them off the way, and put this piece back. Now we have this edge with its center. The next step, as you already know, is finding the green-red piece. So just have a look around. It's right here. So you want to just put it on the loading spot, like this. And now find its corner, which is right here, the green, red, white. Now for this, we need to turn here, then move this corner of the way and turn this back. Now we see, is this color and this color the same? No, so it needs to go on the back. Does it need to go like this? No, because the white is looking forward. Like this? Yes. Now, two middle moves, and you have the pair done. Now, we need to insert it. Are this color and this color the same color? No. So we need to put where we want to insert it on the same place as the pair. Now just turn and back. Now we need to find the green-orange edge, which is right here. So just put it on the loading spot, as you already know, and find its corner, which is right here. So now, as you know, this is white looking up, so it can be like this. So you turn. But now you move this. So just get it off the way and turn this back. Now, are these two colors the same? Yes, so we just need to turn. Now, just put it here and see, are them the same? Yes, so we just need to do like this. Now, this one moved from where it needs to be. So just all this you don't want. So we take all of this block of the way, turn this back, and put again. Okay, so now the algorithms come in. I will put in the description below all the algorithms so you can check them out. So when you have these two yellow and these two yellow, we want to put, so these two looking there, okay, and now we just need to do F, sexy move, F prime, and as you can see you have all the yellow on top. Okay, the next case is when you have these two, but instead of one yellow here, one yellow here, you have another yellow and two yellow here. So we got like a pair and another pair. So we want to put them in this position, one looking at you and one looking away from you, and just do F, sexy move, F prime. Now you have all the corners. Okay, the next most simple case is when you have these two on the top and these two looking in a pair. So you want to put this pair looking to the left, and now just do F, sexy move, F prime. You have the four corners. Okay, so now we got the other case, which is similar to the other one, but instead of having two yellows here, we got two yellows here. So this case, you want to put this in this position and then do sexy move, R prime, F, R, F prime. And you got all the corners. Okay, so the next case is when you have these two in a diagonal, and then we've got one yellow on the front and one yellow on the side. We can't put them like this on a diagonal and there's no yellows here. You need to see these yellows. So now the algorithm for this is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and then put it back again, which is R, U, R prime, F prime. And we have this corner. Okay, so the next case is when you have one and just one yellow here, okay, and we've got right next to it a yellow one, which we would put like this, and it's called a sune, which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And as you can see, we got all the corners. This case is similar to the other one, but it is called an anti-sune because we've got one yellow here, but no yellow here. So we need to put the yellow here, and you should have a yellow right looking at you. So this case is really similar to the sune. It is R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. And you have all the corners. So those are all the cases. We need to put these ones on the top. Now we just need two more algorithms to help you put all the corners in the right place. So the first case is when you got a pair like this with the same color, and as you can see there are no more. So you want to put these ones, which is also called headlights, on your left, and then do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, F prime, sexy move, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. And as you can see, we got all of them in place. Okay, and the other case to this is when you have no pairs. As you can see, you have no headlights, which you need to use two algorithms I showed before. So you need to use the algorithms you used for the two on diagonal and then one here and one here. You need to use that, and then as you can see, you have again these two and these two, which was this. And now you have all placed. Okay, so now this is the last step. If you have come this far, congratulations. Now we need to put either the white or yellow corner at the top, center, at the top, and then you will have some different things. So if you have already this arrow shape, good job. You have good luck. Okay, so the next step, which is the final step, okay, this is the next step, and also the final step. Now you need to choose either the white or the yellow center and put it on the top. Now you will have some cases. Normally you want to get to these two edges that aren't white or yellow, and then you just need to do that, then get an arrow, find the one that is wrong, and then you would have everything yellow or white. Okay, so the first case, which is the longest case, is when you have just one color which isn't yellow or white. You want to find which one of those, and it's going to go either in this position or in this position. So you need to look down and see which edge isn't white or yellow here, this one. So we're going to put this edge on opposite sides. So one here and one here. So if you have it in this side, you want to lift it up there. So this yellow is here. Then do a U prime, and then an M prime. Now on this case, if you so this one isn't yellow or white, so this one needs to go on the back, opposite sides, instead of on the front. Then you would need to lift this one on the top face instead of this one on the top face, so there. Then U prime, M prime. Okay, so once you have that, you will have gotten these two. So you want to put them on the top right and do M, U prime, M, and then you will have the arrow. So this is the other case in which you have all four edges not being yellow or white. In this there's none. So here you do U prime M, and you have this case. So you see this one isn't white or yellow, this one isn't, so they need to go on opposite sides. And just M prime, U prime, M prime. You have these two, put them on the top right, and then the arrow. Another case in which you have two which are wrong, not yellow or white. and on here. Just put them vertical and do this. And prime, and then you have these two. So again, that you will have the arrow. So just look at the wrong one. And this one, because it's here, it will need to be prime. You have everything. Okay, so the final case. Let's imagine that we have these two wrong and two here wrong, or here, doesn't matter. So imagine these two, if they were flipped, they weren't yellow or white. As they are vertical, you would need to put these two horizontally and do the M prime, U prime, M prime, and you would have that. Or if you had these two and here horizontally, you'd put these ones vertically and just do that. Okay, so finally you got the arrow. So look at the one that is wrong here. So this one. So you want the arrow pointing towards this one. So if it's on this side, facing towards you, M prime, U prime, M prime, and that will solve all of this. But if you have it this one and this one wrong, you want the arrow facing there, and do the other way around. So you want this one to go here. So that, and it will solve both layers. Okay, so now you want to get the white green and the yellow green and the yellow blue here, down here. So for example, this is intuitive, so this one you could do M2 to have it here, and this one you put it on the back. So this is a method to put both method. So you put them like this, opposite, and then you do M prime, U2, M prime, and that will put all this down. So now you want to look which one you have here. So if it's green, you want to put the opposite color, so blue, and it overlay like that, so blue and green. But if it was blue, you put green on the corners. And so now you just want to do M2, and it will solve that. And the rest is intuitive, so here it would be M2, and you solve the cube. So some examples that could happen when you have this is that you have these two, like opposite one here and opposite one here. So you want to put, you can just do M2 and just do U2 to put them right, and M2 again, and then just U2. So this one is when you have this, like the case before, but you also have it again here and here. So there are two ways, one fast way and one slow way that you can do it. So slow way would be U2 and then M2, U2, and then you have the other case again, so U2, M2, U2, and then you sort. The faster way, you need to turn the cube like this, and you do these two, and then one, and these two, and then one again, and it solves it faster. This is the exact same as before, but as you can see, you just need to do M2, and you have that, so you would do M2, U2, M2, and it will solve. Okay, so let's do some example solves. So here I look for the blue white. So here it is. So I insert it. Then I see that this pair is already done, so I just need to do that. Then this one, put it here, and then you have this, so you just insert it. Then I won't go slow on this because it's the exact same, so I'll just do it. Okay, so now that I have these two blocks, this algorithm, this une, so R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Then I see these two, so the T pair. Okay, then I see these two, so I put them top right. On here, so I just did that. Okay, so now I put that pretty quickly. The green, yellow, and the blue yellow. So I'll do it again, more or less something. For example, here I would do M2, and this one, so I would do M prime, U2, M. And I put them opposite to each other, M2. And then I have this, which is that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you found it helpful, and see you in the next time.